This high-speed heated blender has stainless steel components, has a rubber seal for the top. It has a large capacity, yet it is in a space-saving footprint. The blades are super sharp as well. It has heat-resistant double-layer glass. I'll show you how easy it is to make some hot and cold items. This can make some awesome milkshakes. The blender is great at chopping up ice.
Starting with some ice. I'm just eyeballing everything, not going off any particular recipe. Ice cream, milk, some frozen fruit. Put on the lid. Put on this top piece. And then single push button. Push what you want, hit start. That's it. I really love the single push button operation. And you'll notice it will start and stop and start and stop. That's part of the programming because I hit the milkshake item. After it's done, just pour and serve. Here's a closer look. Oh my goodness. Got to give it a taste test. Oh my. Here's how to use the boiling water feature. I did not make any sophisticated recipes, but you can. Simple boil, start. Again, just push that single button and the start and it will go. Now I've sped up the footage here, but you can see it rising to 100 Celsius, which is the boiling point of water, and then it will stay on that for a short while and then turn off again automatically. I do love that. Single push button operation. I'm not getting too sophisticated with what I'm making for this video, but you could make soups, baby formula, oatmeal, steamed items. That's what this steamer is right here in the background. I'm making some ramen noodles. I'm really impressed with this blender. It gives you a lot of options. It's very well built. And although you can use the manual controls, I love the single push button options.